Salman Khan. Our beloved hero Salman Khan is kind of a Bollywood star who hates on-screen kissing. This star says that he's enough to make a blockbuster film and he doesn't need any kind of special intimate or bold scene. Over-possessive and arrogant boyfriend Salman had a serious problem when ex-girlfriend Katrina made a kissing scene with her co-star Shilpa Shetty. Shilpa once kissed this Hollywood superstar Richard Gere publicly and the media lashed out for that. It was all in the latest news. From that instant, Shilpa refused to do kissing scenes in movies. Shah Rukh Khan. Shah Rukh Khan has done many romantic films and he's the most romantic hero in Bollywood. But he has never done any kind of bold or intimate scenes with her young heroines. Being a senior actor, he always treats her actresses gracefully. Shah Rukh is also not very comfortable with bold and kissing scenes. Ajay Devgan. Private person Ajay Devgan is one of the Bollywood actors who refused on-screen kissing. There is no Bollywood film where he was seen kissing other heroines. The main reason behind Ajay's no-kissing policy is his over-possessive wife Kajol. She doesn't want Ajay to do any kind of bold or intimate scene on screen. Sonakshi Sinha. Sonakshi Sinha has not seen doing any kind of kissing or intimate scenes on screen with her co-star. She has been very conservative in this way. She refused many mega film offers due to her no-kissing policy. Aishwarya Rai Bachchan. Being the Bachchan Bahu, Aishwarya has become very choosy while selecting films as she is not allowed to do bold scenes anymore. She is very restricted actress when it comes to any bold or kissing scenes in the film. She confessed once that she is not anymore comfortable to kiss her co-actors on films. Tamanna Bhatia. Being a reserve girl, Tamanna Bhatia has some limitations while acting in Bollywood. She never wants to do any kind of kissing scene in movies. She's not even comfortable wearing bold outfits like shorts and three pieces. Sunil Shetty. Actor Sunil Shetty has been a focused actor and he thinks acting is the only skill to highlight a film. There is no need any kind of bold scenes to enrich romance. Ritesh Deshmukh. For Ritesh, kissing is not needed on screen to enrich romantic films. Private person Ritesh refused bold and intimacy scenes because he has strong no-kissing policy. Even shocking fact is that he never kissed her wife, actresses Genelia in any movies. Fawad Khan. Pakistani actor and a married man, Fawad always maintains some strict principle in his acting life. He has never done bold scenes with his co-actresses. Bobby Deol. Bobby is one of the actors who was never seen doing scenes in Bollywood films. Though his father and elder brother surely did some intimate and kissing scenes, but Bobby always maintains no kissing policy. Tushar Kapoor. Tushar Kapoor has been very shy to kiss her heroines on screen. He feels very uncomfortable doing kissing and bold scenes on screen. Ali Zafar. Being a Pakistani actor and singer, Ali Zafar is quite a restricted artist. He always refuses to kiss on screen.